Bonjour, my friends! Today we go to the French countryside to explore a real treasure, pâte de campagne, or as we say, country-style pâte. This simple pâté from humble beginnings is very special in French cooking. Imagine a cozy farmhouse kitchen smelling of herbs and spices. This is where country-style pâté comes from, a dish born from tough times and clever cooks. Country-style pâté shows how the French use every bit of the animal. It's a celebration of simple ingredients turned into a delicious mix of flavors. This isn't some fancy pâté from a city restaurant. This is food from the earth, honest and full of flavor. The beauty of country-style pâté is its simplicity. Anyone can make it, bringing a bit of French country charm to their table. So let's get our ingredients and start this cooking adventure. Now let's get cooking. First we take our pork shoulder, cut into small pieces. We mix it with ground pork belly to make it rich. Salt, pepper, thyme, garlic. These are the tastes of the French countryside. A splash of cognac just because never hurts. Now we put our mix in a terrine with a little surprise in the middle, hard-boiled eggs. This is what makes a real country-style pâté. We close the terrine tight with a pastry crust like tucking it into bed. A few pokes on top to let the steam out. Now, into the oven it goes, nice and slow. The smell that fills the kitchen. Ah, magnifique! After a good while we take it out and let it rest. Patience, my friends, is important for a good pâté. Once cooled, our country-style pâté is ready to eat. Slice it thick, spread it on crusty bread. A simple salad on the side, a glass of red wine. Voila! A taste of the French countryside right at home. Imagine a big stone fireplace. The warmth feels like a hug. Copper pots shine, hanging from the ceiling. The air smells of wood smoke and simmering spices. This is the heart of a French farmhouse, the kitchen. Old wooden tables have marks from many years. Rolling pins and baking sheets tell stories of many meals. Sunlight comes through small windows, lighting up dust dancing in the air. This is a place where time slows down. A place for family, for friends, for good food and laughter. In this kitchen, country-style pâté is more than just food. It's a symbol of welcome, of sharing, of tradition. It reminds us of the simple good things in life, shared with loved ones. Country-style pâté isn't just about the food, it's about connection. Connection to the land, to tradition, to the people with us. It's a taste of history, a reminder of simpler times. In our busy world, it tells us to slow down, to enjoy the moment. Each bite of country-style pâté is a trip back to the French countryside. It reminds us that good food, made with love and care, brings people together. So the next time you want something real, something with heart, remember the country-style pâté. It's a dish that speaks of tradition, of community, and of the simple joys of life. And that, my friends, is a taste worth enjoying. Bon appétit!
Cooked!
There it
Fully
is.
cooked!
Done.
Great.
Central Valley. In the heart of California lies a verdant paradise known as the Central Valley, where sprawling orchards and vast farmlands stretch as far as the eye can see. Nestled between the Sierra Nevada mountains and the coastal ranges, this fertile region boasts an agricultural legacy that dates back generations. As the sun rises over the valley, its golden rays blanket the orchards, igniting the vibrant colors of the blossoming fruit trees. Here, agriculture isn't just a livelihood. It's a way of life, a timeless dance between humans and nature. Walking through the orchards, one can't help but marvel at the bounty that nature has bestowed upon this land. Rows upon rows of meticulously tended fruit trees, apples, oranges, peaches, almonds, and more, stand as a testament to the dedication of the farmers who nurture them. But the Central Valley is more than just a picturesque landscape. It's a vital hub of agricultural production that feeds not only the nation but also the world. Its fertile soil and Mediterranean climate provide the perfect conditions for a wide array of crops to flourish, ensuring a steady supply of fresh produce year-round. Beyond its contribution to the global food supply, Farming in the Central Valley brings a multitude of benefits to both the environment and the local communities. Through sustainable farming practices, farmers here are not only preserving the natural beauty of the land but also safeguarding its long-term viability for future generations. Moreover, the agricultural industry in the Central Valley serves as an economic engine, providing employment opportunities for thousands of individuals and supporting local businesses. From small family-owned farms to large-scale operations, each plays a vital role in the region's prosperity. But perhaps the greatest benefit of all is the sense of connection that farming fosters among communities. In a world where technology often dominates our lives, the simple act of working the land brings people together, forging bonds that transcend generations. As the day draws to a close and the sun dips below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the orchards, one thing becomes abundantly clear. The Central Valley is not just a place, it's a living, breathing testament to the power of agriculture to sustain both body and soul.
بادمجونای خوشگل ارگانیک از پرورده خودم مستقیم از باغ ما به خونه های شما. این برگام نصیب این جوجوهای ما میشه که میخورن و کیف میکنن.